Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pravalika's Lifestyle. How are you all? So today I am going to show types of mango eaters in the world. So I am so excited to show you. So what about you all? I hope you are also excited. So let's go. How the world eaters like mango eaters eat mangoes. One second. So these mangoes going to be rocked today in this video because mangoes are so much special. Mangoes is my favorite food. And what's your favorite food? Comment in the comment section.
Mango, 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 the king of fruits. Most of us are crazy for it. Some prefer raw mango, some prefer ripened ones. But all of us love mangoes.
So guys, I hope you like this video because the thing is how we eat mango, it doesn't matter. The thing but it matters how we enjoy eating mangoes, right? I really enjoy eating mango because it is my favorite fruit. So I always enjoy mango while eating. And बिकॉज समर में बिना मैंगो का क्या ही मज़ा आता है ना. मैंगो इज़ कंपल्सरी टू ईट इन समर्स टू एंजॉय, right? I hope you like this video and don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video and comment this video. And which type of mango eater you are, comment it in the comment section. Okay then, bye.